I saw an update from TradeWatcher on Telegram. Let me put it up real quick so we can see what we're talking about. And this update is talking about insider trading. Okay. On April 10th, a TradeWatcher released something for us, and it said insider trading in plain sight. A known trader bought $12 million worth of S&P call options just hours before Trump announced a ceasefire on Tuesday. On Tuesday, take note. The position 6,800 SPS 6,950 calls expiring May 8. Open when the index was at 6,556. After the announcement, equities jumped. The trade turned into 35 million, locking in about $23 million profit in a single day. Now, this action here is described here as insider trading. Okay. Now on Tuesday, and let's see. At the same time, someone dumped 8,600 lots of Brent, and WTI futures were 950 million ahead of the news. Oil dropped 15%, falling below $100 per barrel. This isn't the first time. On March 23rd, traders sold $500 million in oil futures in just 15 minutes before Trump, and all and all and all. Now, what we're looking at is this. On Tuesday, S&P 500. And let's see how Fractals could have predicted that move. All right. And to show there's nothing so much special about it. All right. Let me pull up our TradingView and we can see everything that went on. Okay. So, bring this back up. Let's go to the S&P. We're using US 500 here. And on Tuesday, I guess, today's 11th of April, and Tuesday was 7th of April. So let's see fractals that might presented themselves on the 6th of April, right? So that 6 should be around here. All right, now look this out. All of this is hindsight, so it'll be very much easy to spot, but still, you could have spotted it. And the quote-unquote insider trading that was done can be achieved by you too. Okay, now guessing 6,500 was where the price opened, right? 556, whatever, that's around this there. So the person bought around here and the price jumped up. Now look at this. Look at this price action in this there. Number one, we have the first PLC in this way, right? Good. And let's see. We're going to look at all our locations for Fractal and get to know what to do. Now, first of all, let's invert our scale. And where is the lowest low in this curve? This is the 6th. And where is the lowest low in this curve? This is the lowest low here on the 7th, okay? But we want to see something that would have happened here. Okay? Quickly confirm the price. The price is 6,569.15, 6,556, 6,556, somewhere around this area. 5,555. Okay, somewhere around this area. Okay, now that's not important to us right now. So let's see this. How we could have predicted this move here. Now look at this trade. First of all, we take this, gotta be here. Okay. Let's look at the monitor charger of this. Okay. And remember, please, everyone, the skill is involved. So you take this. and we involve the scale in the site. Okay, now look at this. Now this gives us exact sales and no details, especially at this area, right? Then we take a short 50% of the smooth here, or 100%, which was clearly 100% a win rate trade. Okay, now this is hindsight, and everything seems easy, right? But you can't just do it. You could have done it before too. Except for the speed move here. Okay, so we also take a copy of this area here in this way, and all the way out to 50% of that range. Okay, then we mirror to. So we mirror this. You can see how self-solidifies this. All right. Now we had all these highs here. All these highs here and down. So microstructure. If you look at this, you see the high there too, here and all the way down on this way. Okay, and that gave a push down just like this, making us achieve that. Now that kind of analysis is worth that. Okay, now let's see other models that could have used in this area. What other models can you see from here? In this area. Okay, that's great. You can see this model. All right, now look at this price. If you take this model in this ring, okay, and you set your sell short. All right, the chart is inverted. Let's invert this sell back. Take this model here, and you set your buy here. Remember, this model, we are not trading this model. The rule of this model rather is to take profit at the next available high. Now watch the previous videos for that analysis. Okay, the previous video for that analysis, and that's what we got. Now remember, this model doesn't capture the full move, okay? Alright. And that's it for that. So let's delete that. Let's delete this. Alright. Also, let's see a model. The model should be here for us. Take a copy of this area. Okay, and then scale to the back. Now this is another model, the L into direction model for the price. Here's an entry somewhat around here. Okay. The price gave us an entry around this area. Okay. Now these are the models that we have in this area to take this by. Okay. So multiple fractal models should have predicted this up move here. And to take profit, we have adjusted all the models for the stream. So it's not a special move or it's not a special thing. We can actually see the market price before it goes. Okay, and let's check oil too. Let's check oil. Use oil. So US oil. Let's check with first.com. here. Let's see over the price for used oil. Now the price down. Remember, let's bring that chat up again. It says here that the US oil dropped 15%, falling $100 per barrel. Okay. Let's see how we could have taken advantage of that too. Now, the first thing you can see clearly in this way, you invert your skill, okay? You invert your skill. Alright, so they here invert skill. Alright. So here we have something here. And this is the 6th, okay? Here we have the 6th of April here. That was just last week's Monday, so the trading started here. Now the way we live in our lives is, I don't like hindsight, say it again. The way we would have analyzed this is what I here. And remember, this is the lowest low here. Okay, so take a copy of the so here. Then all the way to 50% of the smooth. Okay. Or better still, you could have taken the lows before that also to just show our trade. Okay. And we have this here. Okay. Take a copy here. A little copy here. Then all the here. Okay. Now fit on the highest high of the opposing tree. Right? It's not looking exactly like it, but this is exactly what it means. Right? And tag your profit, the take profit will be at 0. Right? Catch it always move here. So that's it for this video. Stay consistent with your trading analysis and you will be well on your way to profitability.